In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable TradingView on Tradovate. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Tradovate. You can simply type Tradovate in your search engine. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the official Tradovate link that pops up in the search results. Now that you're on the Tradovate homepage, look for the Login button on the upper right corner of the screen and give that a click. You'll need to enter your credentials. This typically includes your email and password. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Next, look for the Settings option. It's usually located somewhere in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on that to access your account settings. You should see various settings options pop up, and what you're looking for is the Add-ons section. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Add-ons section, TradingView should be listed at the top of the available add-ons. There will be a button to buy, so click on that. This will take you to a page where you can set up your subscription for TradingView. At this point, you will need to choose a payment method. You can add your credit or debit card information securely. Just follow the prompts on the screen to make sure everything is entered accurately. Now, before you finalize your purchase, make sure to check the box that indicates you agree to the terms and conditions. It's crucial to understand what you're agreeing to, so take a moment to skim through those if you can. Once that's done, move on to the final step. Click on the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. After you confirm your payment, TradingView will be enabled on your Tradovate account, and you can start using its features right away. After enabling TradingView, feel free to explore its charting tools and capabilities. TradingView is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive charting options, and a vibrant community of traders sharing ideas and strategies. You'll find everything from basic technical analysis tools to advanced indicators that can help inform your trading decisions. If you're new to TradingView, or even if you're a seasoned trader, take the time to familiarize yourself with the platform. You might want to check out their detailed tutorials or community discussions to enhance your trading skills even further. And that wraps up our guide on how to enable TradingView on Tradovate. It can seem overwhelming at first, but following these steps can make the process much simpler. Remember, taking the plunge into new tools can significantly enhance your trading experience, so don't hesitate to explore. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.